Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, I will be making a very light pepper soup. It has so much flavor. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started right now. In this pot, I have fish, chicken feet, and shrimp. You can add any kind of meat you have. Next, I added 1 blended onion, 2 habanero peppers, and 2 cloves of garlic. Because I wanted a lighter soup, I did not add the okra directly to the soup. I will boil the okra in a different pot. If you want to, you can add a little bit of okra, kitile, a ball to the soup. If you enjoy simple recipes like this, I do have a cookbook on Amazon, 20 Best Liberian Recipes. It's easy to follow, and I also have helpful tips in there just for you. After adding the seasoning and water, I will cover the pot, cook the soup till some of the liquid has been evaporated and the meat is tender. If you are adding meat that takes a little longer to cook, I recommend cooking it in a pressure cooker before adding it to the soup. Add it to the soup when it's halfway done. The soup was light, so flavorful, and it was not too spicy. I have a video on how to make Beniseed. I will leave the link down in the description. I added the okra to the Beniseed. I will blend this really well. After blending this, you can add this on top of the fufu with a little lime or lemon wedge. Also, pour the soup over the fufu and it's eat time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.